Hi, and today we are talking microwaves. This is a fairly typical example of a microwave. If you look at it, it's got numbers on the front. You use those to program both power and time. It's got a turntable in the middle. Now, the way that directions are by a form of radiation. Please don't be scared of the word. Everything is radiation. So microwave radiation is actually an adaptation of microwave radiation. And what it does is it agitates Chef Johnathan Locke. You need to understand to use as a cooking container. Yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, yes.
No. Yes!
No, maybe. Thanks.